The delicious wines of Condrieu. Condrieu. Condrieu is a famous appellation of the northern Rhone valley in the south of France, in the southeastern part of the country, making arguably some of the very best Viognier white wines in the whole world. Condrieu vineyards are on very steep slopes facing the Rhone river, very steep slopes on granitic terroir, giving the wines their distinctive minerality as well as the abundant fragrance, the abundant aromas of rich apricot, white peach, aromas and flavors of Viognier, together with the minerality and acidity given by this rocky, stony, volcanic, granitic terroir, the wines of Condrieu. Condrieu, the typical French pronunciation, Condrieu. 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 I hope this video was useful and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir.